you know what, your bank account doesn't care about who's judging you. Okay, what is your goal? Do you want to make this money or not? Hello my lovelies, and welcome back to another video here today. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about how to make 6 figures or 100k by the end of 2022. Yes, it's possible guys, if you're willing to put in the work. Now, unless you have a job out there that already pays you $100,000 a year after taxes, okay, the keyword is after taxes, so $100 in your bank account at the end of the year after taxes, then you may want to watch this video, because I'm sure a lot of us don't actually make that with a full-time job. Okay, so if you're someone out there who's looking to make 6 figures this year, okay, 100k this year by the end of 2022, it's possible guys. Don't limit yourself, don't feel like it's too late. This is March, there's many more months to go guys. Like, people make this in a month. So what's stopping you? Okay, so I'm going to be sharing some strategies and things that you can do today to ensure that you're able to achieve this goal by the end of the year. So the first thing you want to do guys is you want to think about a product or service that you can sell online. The keyword is online, on the internet. We're not opening any brick and mortar stores out there, because you don't have the potential to appeal to a lot of people. You're limiting your options if you're trying to offer an offline service. So whatever business we're going to be starting needs to be online based. I have so many videos here guys where I talk about different types of online businesses. You can start for free, you can start for less than $100. Like, there's so many ideas out there. You can do affiliate marketing, you can do drop shipping, you can start your boutique business, you can even start a YouTube channel. Yes, you can make so much money on YouTube guys. You can sell your skills as a freelancer, you can become a social media influencer. Like, this 100k is something you could even achieve before the end of the year if you're able to put in the work and implement the strategies. Okay, so you want to first of all think about what type of online business you're going to start. What am I willing to offer? What skills do I have that I can teach someone and help someone out there and get paid for it in return? What skills do I have right now? Think about even the jobs that you have. If you're working with a marketing company guys, you could actually offer marketing services to small businesses as a freelancer and get paid even more money than your job is paying. Think about the skills that you have right now. What do you do in your 9-to-5 job? Skills that you can actually go out there and help other small businesses and get paid way more than your 9-to-5 is paying you right now. Obviously check with your company's policies that you're not breaking any rules, any conflict of interest and all that other stuff. Okay, so make sure that you're doing things legally, of course, and you're not going out there and breaking rules. I'm not advising anyone to do that, but what I'm trying to say is you have the potential to probably make more money than your company is paying you anyway. And again, I'm not saying quit your job, but you have the options out there guys. Up to you. Now, once you've decided on what type of online business you want to start, you want to go on social media and create a business account. The beauty about social media is the fact that you can use this platform for free. Like, social media has created billionaires guys. It's created millionaires, billionaires right now, and it's a free platform. That's the beauty about social media. And there's 2 types of people on social media: the people that are just there to randomly socialize, watch random cat videos, go on the shade room and watch gossip news that adds no value to their life. And then there is people out there who are actually making a killing on social media. Now, either way, you want to tap into this amazing platform that has billions of users that are spending hours and hours a day already browsing on. Okay, you want to really go on social media, create an account, a business account that you're going to be using to promote the products and services that you've decided to sell. Okay, you want to go on social media, create your business profile, start creating content. That's the next step. Create content that actually attracts your target audience to want to purchase from you. Okay, if you're selling makeup one-on-one services, you want to look for people who have an interest in makeup, who are looking for makeup artists, who are looking to get their makeup done guys, and start offering your services. If you're into digital marketing, start connecting, networking with small businesses, follow their accounts, and then see how you can network with them to offer the services. I recently hired a social media manager for my Instagram account, and it was somebody that I actually met just going out there and engaging with other companies. I found her, I saw her services, she's doing an amazing job, and she's actually in charge of my Instagram account now. She helps me to grow my Instagram account. Okay, so you want to go on social media, create a business account, start networking with companies and individuals that are likely to be interested in your services or products. Okay, And of course, you want to make sure you're creating as much content as possible. Instagram has Reels right now. Like, if you guys want to grow your account fast, you have to tap into Instagram Reels. Any form of video, right? Any form of video content is the best way to grow your social media following in this day and age. If you're camera shy, guys, you don't have to put your face out there. You can use platforms like pexels.com. There's actually lots of videos out there, copyright-free videos that you can use to create Reels and actually do voiceovers and all that good stuff. You don't have to show your face if you're not really comfortable on camera. You can even screen record things like PowerPoint slides, presentations, and do voiceovers, guys, and put it out there. You can even hire people on Fiverr, guys, to help you with your content creation if you have no idea what to do and you don't want to put your face out there. Or you can just get your phone, get on camera, especially if you're going to be the face of your brand and you're the one actually offering a service. You want to put your face out there because people need to know who is behind the brand. It's something that you're just gonna have to do, okay? I personally started my YouTube channel, like, I was at a point in my life where my business wasn't growing. I am the face of my brand. I offer coaching and consulting services. I didn't want to put my face out there because I was scared of the judgment on the internet. You know, we get all the trolls and, you know, all the negative people out there. When you're putting content out there, putting your face out there, be sure to get some, you know, negativity. There's going to be people that not everyone is going to like your face, your voice. You know, I get negative comments on my channel and sometimes and I just block them, right? So no, not everyone is going to like you, but you need to think about why you're actually doing this. The people that like you and love your content, myself for example, without my YouTube channel, I wouldn't have an email list of over 21,000. I have an email list, guys, 21,000 people that majority of those people, guys, are coming from my YouTube channel because I use YouTube as a #1 platform to drive traffic to my businesses. So I mean, I don't care about everybody else, the minority that are probably not ever going to want to work with me anyway. I only care about those people that are currently coming to my business, signing up to my email list, purchasing my courses, purchasing my services, because this is my own audience in the world that I can serve, okay? So don't worry about, oh, if I put my face out there, people are going to judge me, blah, blah, blah. You know what? Your bank account doesn't care about who's judging you, okay? What is your goal? Do you want to make this money or not? Put your face out there, sis, and see how that's gonna blow up your business, okay? Video is powerful, so look into creating video content, and this is how you are going to be able to make an extra $100,000 a year, 6 figures a year. This is how businesses are killing it. It's all about content, okay? So I hope you guys found this video useful in regards to making an extra $100,000 a year. It's doable, guys. Just put in the work. People are literally creating, you know, products, creating services, going online and making a killing, guys, every single day, and you're missing out on this opportunity if you aren't tapping into this digital space right now. And if you guys need help starting an online business and you're not sure how to get started, check out onepassivewealth.com. I'll leave a link below this video. Go check it out. There's a step-by-step course there that teaches you step-by-step, guys, how to get started with an online business, even if you have no idea what to sell, okay? So I hope you guys found this video useful. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.